Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn something more interesting from our moral science book, Embarrassing Values. Okay, now get ready with you all the stuff which are necessary to do these worksheets. Okay, let's get into the video. Now we are going to do our first lesson in this book. This is my body. So let's learn about good touch and bad touch. From this lesson, we are going to learn about what is good touch and what is bad touch in detail with all the information provided in this lesson. Okay, so let's get into the video and get such more and more knowledge about what is good touch and bad touch. First of all, what do you mean by the word good and what do you mean by the word bad? We need to learn first of all what is this good and bad, so that we can understand this concept in more detail and depth. So first of all, we will learn 5 ways to educate children about good touch versus bad touch. So without any delay, we will get into the video. Stay tuned. Good touch, a safe touch. Bad touch, unsafe touch. What does touch mean? It is an act to touching someone or something. It is to put your hand or another part of your body lightly onto of something or someone. Touch gives us feelings like sad, angry, afraid, happy, joyful, and surprised. We have parts of our body which are good to touch. Some parts are okay to touch and others are bad to touch. How to tell children about the areas or body parts that are good to touch and not okay to touch and very bad to touch. See children, parts of our body which are good to touch are hands. Parts of our body which are might not like people to touch, like face, shoulders, tummy, thighs, feet. Parts of our body which are very bad to touch are our private parts. Good touch. A touch makes you feel warm, comfortable and safe inside. A good touch can be a hug or kiss from your parents, grandparents. A hug by your mom will make you feel comfortable. It can be a pat on the back from your teacher when he or she says good job. It can be an arm around the shoulder by a friend or a shake hand or giving a high five. Bad touch. A bad touch does not feel good. It makes you feel uneasy and give bad feelings. It's a bad touch when someone pinches you on purpose or touches your private parts. It is when someone touches you on your body where you don't want to be touched, getting touched somewhere they don't want to be touched. It is a bad touch if that touch makes you feel scared and nervous. Ways to educate your child. Start by telling children about the private parts. Tell them that the body parts we usually keep covered are our private parts and no one has the right and permission to touch them there. Give them ownership of their body. Tell them that their body belongs to them and that they can reserve certain parts as private. Use appropriate language. Tell them the correct names of the body parts if help them to have that knowledge in case they ever need to talk about it. Keep the conversation light and easy. Try to keep these kind of conversations serious but still unemotional so that the child feels comfortable talking and asking questions about it. Use the swimsuit rule. Tell them that the areas covered by a swimsuit is their private areas and no one should be seeing or touching that areas. Use books about good touch and bad touch. Try to make the conversation interactive and informative by using books such as the human body, organs and body parts, etc. It makes learning easy to children. Empower them to say no. Tell them that they have the right to decide who can touch them and who can kiss them or who can hug them. They have the right to say no. Help the child trust his or her feelings. Teach kids to trust their feelings. Don't force them to hug someone if they don't want to. If they feel like they will, they do it. Things children can do in case someone touches them inappropriately. First of all, tell them not to be afraid. Say no. Tell the person that they don't like it and they don't want to be touched. Get away fast. Ask them to run away from the person. Call for help. Scream. Don't keep secrets and go to a person they trust, their parents, a relative, a teacher or their doctor. Tell them believe in yourself. You did nothing wrong. Yeah, children, I hope that you understand the concept of good touch and bad touch now. So this worksheet you can do on yourself without any delay. Now see the pictures. Tick the ones where this advice should not be acted upon. Okay? Coming to B bit, write few lines about the picture you have chosen. Now go to next page. A bit. Tick the sentences that are true and cross those that are false. Okay? I will be reading the sentences. You need to tick whether it is good or bad. Act appropriately. Okay? It is important to understand the difference between good touch and bad touch. Put a tick mark. The parts covered by swimsuit are private body parts. A good touch will make you feel happy sometimes. Bad touch makes you feel bad and uneasy. Good touch will never make you feel unsafe and unprotected. A touch from a stranger is not allowed. If you feel unhappy or uneasy, you should talk to elders. Say no in a loud voice and go away from there. So put a tick mark and a cross mark which one is good and which one is bad. And the second bit, think and answer children. This one you need to write in your own words. How can you help if you find your best friend is being touched with bad intention? Children, I hope you understand the concept of good touch and bad touch now. So do it everything on yourself. That's all for now. We'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care and bye-bye.